But to cross to that alley, get to the noodle place, you need to cross this street. And that's the busy street where they come from, major street, where you can have taxi cab or Grab to get here. So you want to be here, the major street, before you get to the alley. They can drop you here anywhere, any corner here, but you need to get to this alley ahead of us here. It's very easy to recognize Lotteria. That's the corner you want to be. So now here we go to the alley, to the two of my favorite places to eat breakfast. Sometimes I take something home because during lunch it gets very hot. Feel like 104, 103 degrees sometimes. So I'm not going out to get any lunch. Like today, I will not go out for lunch, so I'm gonna eat one breakfast and gonna buy something to take home for lunch. So this is a street to be walking on to get to the alley. That's alley 120. I'm not going there because it's narrow. I don't see anything there before. So to get to the Quảng noodle place, you can get in this alley 130. I think I should get to show you alley 130. That's where I'm going to get my breakfast. We're almost there. This place very popular because sometime I went there like 9:30, they sold out. So we're gonna turn left here. Later on when we're done eating here, I'll show you the bún thịt nướng place. Oh, I'm lucky today's Saturday. And this is the menu. Hello, chào anh. Yeah. Today today's Saturday. They have Bun Bo Hue. So let us show you. I think they're brother and sister, I'm not sure, but anyway. So he's just chef, he's the cook. See him prepare today's breakfast. Ở đây thường quán anh mở mấy giờ?
Chừng 6 giờ hơn làm có rồi.
Bên này cũng hơn. Dạ. Hello chị.
Dạ, chào chị.
Chị Hằng. Anyway, here's the menu again. Alternate. I think it opened at 6:30 in the morning. So Monday, Wednesday, Friday, they serve me Quảng, bún chả cá. Saturday, okay. Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, they serve Bun Bo Hue, and that's the address and phone number. To order.
Chị ngồi đây luôn hả chị ha?
Yeah, ngồi đây luôn. Of course, here's a coffee place. You can order as well. Okay, so this is my Bun Bo Hue for Saturday morning breakfast. This place is delicious. I come here very often. So, bon appetit. So this is their banner. Okay, now we're gonna go to the bún place that you ask. Ok, gặp chị sau nha chị Hằng. Here's the place. That I went in last time. If I can get away with it to show you. So as you recall, that's the inside of the place. And here's the lady who prepared this. Okay. So that's it. If you go to see my previous video about this place, you will recognize this little alley here. Now I'm heading back. Seems like more people out here today because it's Saturday. People still working. Some people work on Saturday as well. That's why you see more traffic. While the previous video, things were barely open because the first week of the Lunar New Year, people didn't really fully open. I'm gonna show you this fried bananas, fried yam. I'm so tempted to buy some today, but I'd rather skip because I had some already yesterday. So here is the entrance. If you want to go straight to that bún thịt nướng place. Alley 154. And of course, you remember this is local market, Sớm Chiếu. And that's about it.
Nhỏ nó đi sạch sẽ, không còn một con ở dưới gầm bếp mà nó cắn nó phá đồ ăn của nhà mình. Còn nhà ai mà có chuột nó chui xuống gầm máy giặt thì mình để cho em một hũ sáp đuổi chuột thế hệ mới ở dưới gầm máy giặt. Nhà ai mà có chuột nó chạy xuống gầm tủ lạnh trên la phong thì mình để cho em một hũ sáp đuổi chuột thế hệ mới dưới gầm tủ lạnh ở trên gầm la phong. Từ chuột lớn có chuột nhỏ, từ chuột này đến chuột con nó tự cái mùi sáp nó đi sạch sẽ.
A ham. I haven't gone in yet. Okay, this is where I showed you earlier. Should you decide to come to these two eatery place, remember the corner of this store. So that's it. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoy it and hope it helps to those who want to come and explore District 4 street food.